So it's Red Dragon launch day, but it's not just any Red Dragon launch. It's the Red Dragon switch points launch. The quick change technology, but this is what's different. They're universal. So if you've always wanted to use the Jonny Clayton Hiraeth darts or the Gerwyn Price original darts, but you didn't fancy the points that they had on them, that's all changed. They're interchangeable, they're universal. So if you prefer Swiss points, if you prefer quick change points, or any other branded interchangeable points, you can now put your own points on these darts. There you have your Hiraeth barrels. You know, that is Jonny's exact toe setup. The Welsh-inspired design with that raw stone barrel finish, unlike anything else in Red Dragon's range. And the grip is an aggressive and a distinctive grip. The 23-gram tapered version of the Hiraeth Jonny Clayton dart with the new Nitro Flight kite shape that he's been using for probably about 12 months now, and we've all been calling out for them to be released. So it's amazing to see them in the flesh with that infamous dragon logo. And then if we have a look at the point, Jonny uses a 37.5mm silver chain pro point. So this is the exact tour setup that Jonny would use on the Pro Tour or on the TV stages that we see week in, week out. So I just want to show you how easy it is to remove this one and put a new one on. You use the Winmore switch point tool key, pop it up to the top of the point. It's a nice easy turn, the point comes off. We've got another switch point here, which is the 26mm Chain Pro in black. Start it off with your finger and then put it back onto the key. And it's a case of just tightening, and there you go. Within a matter of seconds, you've changed your point and you're ready to go.